I didn't get the engine on here.
That's all right. It was one.
No, it had 2 engines.
Did it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's gonna be a long one, Gabe. Keep filming. We would have waited just a few.
Yeah, I got it. I missed the engine.
I'm sorry, B.
Did you get the number?
No.
Done it?
You know what? You could do that every other way.
Is it slowing down?
No.
He's not in the area yet?
He's over there now, yeah.
That's probably what I saw.
He's a long one.
I don't think so.
Man, is he long, Gabe?
What, is he stopping?
No, he's just long.
Oh. Yeah, that's it.
That's a long one.
Cool, B.
Yeah, I don't know if I got the engine.
Probably not, B. The trees were in the way.
Shoot.
You got a good picture, though. Didn't ya?
Yeah, can you look both ways?
What? See?
Yeah.